Tokidos!
Starting at the age of 4, you can already count on your fingers, but you can't yet associate written numbers with their quantities. But with Math Alchemist, you can start practicing additions by adding up quantities instead of numbers, because early numeracy development is highly correlated with later academic achievements. This is how you play.
Welcome to Math Alchemist.
As an alchemist, you create magic potions to help solve the problem of the villagers.
Another day means a brand new chance to help people with your potions.
Each potion contains 3 ingredients.
I need a potion. I ran out of joke ideas and the king is counting on me for them. I'm sure I can make something for you.
You have to add up the right quantity of each ingredient by connecting the cubes together.
Let's add 3 drops of toad slime.
3. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now we shake. Once all the steps are completed, the potion is finished and you see the final result.
Brilliant. Well done.
Did it work? Well, try to tell me a joke. Why does the alchemist never score when playing basketball? I don't know. Why? Because they alchemist. That definitely worked. Thank you for coming. Yes, thanks to you, alchemist.
It's a great and fun way to introduce your kiddos to arithmetic, and the difficulty of the game increases as your kiddos get better.